quiet as a mouse. I replaced there's a board inside this plastic piece that clips to where underneath this orange cord is. There's like where this black ribbon cable is. So inside there's a board, and then I replaced the motor right here, and that seemed to fix the smashing into this filament cutter. And also it has ruined two of my three boards I think back there. There's one back there, and then I got a freshly smashed one in here that just happened yesterday. But anyways, that definitely seems to be the fix, is replacing the board that is within the ribbon, attached to the ribbon for the motor, and then replacing the motor. So if you're getting weird problems with your X-Axis and it not operating correctly, I would reach out to Anycubic and have them send you those two parts. I did tag it in the video. Hopefully this helps. Thank you guys.